Greetings, everyone. Hope everyone is good. My name is Dumzela Tembegile, and this is my presentation under a module of becoming a professional teacher, which is BPT 1501. And I'll be doing a word search under travel and tourism, since I will be teaching tourism in one of the schools few years to come. And we're gonna have to search those words on that word search, which is passport, town, flight, airport, check-in, holiday, hotel, baggage, departure line, quarantine, agency, destination, adventure, backpackers, safari, cruise, travel, ocean, culture, and food. And since you know when you're going to travel, you must have a passport and you must know where you are going. And you must pack a bag and the food that you will be tasting there, if you're going to taste food. Or you're going on a safari, the backpack, you have to pack water, you have to pack all those kind of things on your way. So since I'll be doing this word search, I'll be teaching the tourism. Each learner in my class will be having a word search of his or hers. And this will be a fun way of engaging learners. Let's start by searching those words. And I'm sure most of you have seen some of it right now. And I've seen the passport. I'm going to go and circle the passport since we'll be playing this game. And in the same way, we'll be learning on the way. So I'm going to circle the passport now. And we'll be using these two colors, which is blue and red, so that when you circle, we can see what we circle there. The passport is here. We're just going to circle nicely. We're not in a rush. We're doing it nicely. Passport, it ends here. And then learners will be having their own colors and whatever colors they like. And this is going to be a fun way of engaging learners. And I've seen this as a backpackers, since it's listed here, which is here. Here is it. It's a backpackers. I'm going to use a different color, which is blue, to circle this word backpackers, which means must end backpackers here. While we're doing this, learners are also learning. We're not just playing here. Learners are also learning. And I would like, after circling the word, you take with that hazy. We got this one and this one. We're going to take with blue because we got it with blue, so that we know how many words are left. Then we're going to check the other words. And since I've said it, we need to find all of them, because we can't do a word search and then not finding all the words here. Now we're going to check the others. And some of you that are watching this on YouTube, I'm sure you've seen them, but I'm still checking. Hopefully I'll get all of these words, because I've made this to be big. Okay, I've seen the hotel. The hotel here. Here is it. Here is it, hotel. Circle like this. Then we take it. That way we're making the work much more fun and easy. We're going to check the other words right now. We need to move. This is a fun way of engaging learners to participate, since I've told that each learner will have his or her own word search. And at the same time, I would like them, before anyone could have his or her own, to first give them in groups so that they can all participate and help those who are struggling with the words. Then after that, each learner will have his or her own. Now we are left with, oh sorry, these are 20 words. It's 5, 5, 5, 5. Now since we have 3, we're left with 17 words, and we need to find them in order for us to move. We can't move without finding those words. The flies. So like I can't even see F, or my eyes are playing with me now. Yeah, this is the airport. Learners are gonna engage and play this. So since we're still checking the words and circling them, yeah, this is a big puzzle word. It is a big puzzle word, but more bold actually and more clear. And we are seeing some of the words, but not the one that I hear. Some words are gonna be vertical, horizontal, lines, down, up. They're not gonna be the same way that we have done these ones. And now we need more, and I'm still stuck with 3 words. Yeah, this is an interesting way of teaching learners on how to use their critical thinking and to be patient again on finding these words, and to be more relaxed, not in a hurry. Now I'm still checking the other words, and we need to circle them here and find them. I'm not gonna do all the words, all in all. Some of them I was just showing how is it gonna be done. And after this, since I find the 3, I'm still gonna look for more, at least to find 5. After this, we're gonna have to ask the learners some questions. There'll be some questions that are gonna follow to see how the learners have engaged and how they have participated with this learning lesson of today, and how they enjoy the lesson of today and how was it fun, which is gonna be an interesting one. Now we're still here looking for the last word before we go to the questions that we have to ask their learners about. Because some learners like to travel, so we need to know when you have to travel, what must you have? What must you carry? The important documents. A word search is a fun game and make you to think and to know words, and you're gonna remember them for a long period of time.